Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello. This is my story. At the beginning of this semester, I felt nervous every time I had to speak in English. But I tried to speak English while reading the dialogues. After reading the English dialogue several times, I became more confident. The most difficult part for me is pronunciation, especially pronouncing long and difficult to pronounce medical terms. It was a valuable experience for me when I was given the opportunity to speak English and learn a lot of new vocabulary, such as medical terms. I am proud to have become more confident in speaking English, but I still have a lot to learn about pronunciation and vocabulary. I've come to realize that progress takes time, effort, and courage. The most interesting chapter for me was chapter 4 on the endocrine and lymphatic system, especially the topic of diabetes mellitus.
Kesehatan mencatat kasus diabetes mellitus mengalami peningkatan di Indonesia.
Mahardika Maskur Firdaus menderita diabetes mellitus tipe 1.
Para orang tua diminta untuk mewaspadai kasus diabetes yang bisa saja terjadi pada anak-anak mereka. Jumlah anak penderita diabetes dalam rentang usia 0 hingga 18 tahun di Semarang pada tahun 2021.
Kasus diabetes pada anak mengalami peningkatan. Penyakit yang umumnya dialami orang dewasa, kini justru banyak dialami anak-anak.
Diabetes mellitus is a disease in which the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can use it properly. This leads to high blood sugar levels, which can lead to many health problems. Nowadays, there are many cases of diabetes mellitus ranging from children to adults. This topic is very meaningful for me in the pharmacy department because many patients need medication and lifestyle change education to control it. As a prospective pharmacy vocational worker, I realize how important it is to understand this disease and how diabetes mellitus drugs such as insulin, metformin, meglitinides, and other work. Learning about diabetes mellitus in English helped me expand my medical vocabulary and better understand health information. It also made me more aware of how I can help people with diabetes mellitus in the future. During this semester, I learned a lot of things, not only English grammar and vocabulary, but also how to communicate clearly and confidently. I'm improving my pronunciation and learning to speak English, as I still have some pronunciation error. I like to learn by watching video or listening to songs to improve pronunciation and vocabulary, which are still difficult for me, but I keep practicing. I want to speak more fluently in professional setting like hospital or pharmacies. Based on my progress, I think I deserve a score of 90. Because I work hard enough, I'm active in class, reading the chapter dialogue, and show that I complete my assessment. Even though sometimes I have friends who see me and have been late in submitting assessment. Thank you, Mr. Erwin, for sharing knowledge. Thank you for your time. I apologize if I have any wrong words or pronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.